Hi, I'm Sebastian, co-founder of Forloop. In this video, I will show you how you can easily and quickly integrate external data. But before we jump into the details, I want to give you an overview of what you can do with it. So Forloop is a no-code tool to integrate and productionize external data. And it works in three simple steps. First, you can extract data from a website, maps, or other external sources. Then our AI engine can help you clean and aggregate data more automatically. And lastly, you can integrate the feed to where you would like to have it delivered, for example, a data warehouse. And lastly, have it scheduled to have the latest market data at your fingertips. Let's move back to the demo. So during this short demo tour, we will start with extracting data from an e-commerce site to extract prices and other product information. And then we will move on to tweak the pipeline to have it running continuously and thus monitor the prices every day. So let's get started. So it starts with that I have to put in a URL, and I'm interested in this item. So I'm just gonna paste the URL like that. Next, it asks me of what product information I would like to extract from it. For example, prices, images, and so forth. And I'm just going to click all of it like that. And now it renders the website. And here we have the website. And now I can click and confirm which elements I would like to have. So I'm quite interested in price, the item's name, and also product description. I'm not too worried about getting the elements exactly correct because the engine will help me later on. So I'm just going to click continue. And now it asks me of if I want to render the whole site and go to next page. And I want to do that. And I have a pre-made list of URLs that I'm going to insert like that. And then click continue to the next step. And here I have a preview of the output data. And actually, I'm quite happy with it. I think it looks nice. So I'm going to progress. And now I can decide on where I would like to have the data delivered. And here we support databases, Snowflake, and files. Just for simplicity, I will have a preview of the file, and I will click download the file like that. And here I have it. So I want to click and have a view of it. And it looks exactly the same as my preview. So I'm actually quite happy, and I will move on with the pipeline. And from here, I will click continue and complete. And now we enter the canvas of Forloop. And here, as you can see, the tool has generated the steps necessary and the steps that I defined to extract data from the e-commerce site. And apart from this, I can click run if I would like to. But over here, I have some things I could do to tweak the pipeline. For example, add data if I would like to merge it with something, or add cleaning procedures. For this case, I would be quite interested in monitoring the pipeline to see when the pipeline breaks. So we'll add a Slack notification like that, and name it failed pipeline and click submit. And actually now we are ready to kickstart the pipeline. But before that, I'm going to add a trigger. So I want to have it run every day at this time of the day. And I'm going to start today and click and confirm. And now I can click on run. And now I can get back to the Google Sheet that we just created before. And as you can see, we managed to extract around 5,000 items, and that would be the product demo.